Good afternoon, everyone. I am Lee Singan, Financial Market Strategist Consultant at Exness, and this is your market outlook for the 24th of September 2024. In an urgent effort to revive its economy, the People's Bank of China has announced a sweeping package of monetary policy measures aimed at hitting the annual growth target of 5% this year. The central bank unveiled cuts to reserve requirements and interest rates, alongside initiatives to support the struggling property market and provide liquidity to the stock market. Despite the positive market reaction, there are doubts whether these measures would effectively address deflation and the ongoing real estate crisis. With consumer confidence waning, further fiscal coordination is anticipated to strengthen the impact of this monetary easing. As the government navigates these challenges, the focus remains on sustaining economic momentum as China grapples with weak consumer sentiment and deflationary pressures. In other news, the Reserve Bank of Australia, RBA, has kept its interest rates at 4.35%, marking the seventh consecutive meeting without change as it grapples with persistent inflationary pressures. The board emphasized its commitment to achieving sustainable inflation targets, stating it will not rule out future policy adjustments. Despite expectations of a potential rate cut in December, RBA Governor Michelle Bullock highlighted that near-term inflation declines won't be sufficient to prompt immediate easing. The RBA stance sets itself apart from global peers, particularly as the Fed has initiated rate cuts to support economic growth. Now let's take a look at our charts, right? So what we have currently, it's gold on the daily time frame. I'm currently on the Exness web terminal. So what's interesting on gold is that price tested the ascending channel. We can see the test of this lower bound twice here as well as the upper bound. So price is currently testing the upper bound of the ascending channel, which also aligns, or it's near the 2650 resistance. What is interesting to note with this level is that it also aligns with the Fibonacci confluence levels, notably the 78.6 as well as the 100% Fibonacci extension. So if price sustains its rally with a break above the 2650 resistance, it could prompt a further rise towards the next potential resistance at 2750, which coincides with the 161.8 and 100% Fibonacci extension. Right, conversely, if we see a reversal below this level and price breaks and closes below the EMA 21 support, it could prompt a throwback towards the 2480 support. This support level was also a resistance that was tested back in July before price broke above it and rebounded as a support. Right, so 2480 would serve as the first potential support, and if price breaks below the 2480 support, we could see potential for a deeper retracement towards the next support at 2380. This level again was a previous level where price consolidated before a break and a retest of this zone as a support. So that's it for today's market analysis. Thank you for joining me. I'm Lee Singan, Financial Market Strategist Consultant at Exness.